Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change cart fonts and colors on your Wix e-commerce store website. This is a great way to make sure your shopping cart matches your brand's look and feel, giving your customers a more cohesive shopping experience. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This section gives you access to all the sites connected to your account, making it easy to manage multiple projects from one place. From this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you actually want to work on. It's always a good idea to double-check before making changes, especially if you're managing multiple sites. This simple confirmation step can save you from editing the wrong project. Now, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. You'll typically find it beside a pen icon, which makes it pretty easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the Wix website editor where all the magic happens. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your workspace for customizing the look and functionality of your site. From here, we'll start by locating your cart icon. Usually, this icon is located at the top part of your screen or inside your header area. Click on it to select it. The cart icon is one of the most important elements of an e-commerce site, so customizing it properly helps improve the user experience and keeps your branding consistent. Once you've selected your cart, a menu will appear with several options. Click on Settings to open up the configuration panel for your cart. This is where you can adjust various aspects of how your cart looks and behaves. Under the Cart Icon tab, scroll down until you see Number Font and Color for your cart. This option controls the appearance of the item count displayed on your cart icon. Click on it to change the font and the color of your cart. You can choose a font that matches your site's typography and pick a color that stands out or blends in depending on your design preferences. And that's it. You've successfully customized the font and color of your cart on your Wix e-commerce store. These small design tweaks can make a big difference in how professional and polished your site looks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.